with an automatic transmission. This convertible is well equipped. This Volkswagen features front-wheel drive, dual front airbags, and alloy wheels. Safety features include traction control, four-wheel ABS, and stability control. Comfort and convenience features include power steering, leather seats, and navigation system. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with the Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.